A senior Google engineer just released a 421-page document called Agentic Design Patterns, completely free with no paywall or course upsell attached. In a space flooded with shallow tutorials and recycled content, this is the kind of deep technical resource that usually stays locked inside engineering team wikis. We're going to break down why this document matters and what it means for anyone building AI systems right now. The internet is saturated with content explaining what an AI agent is, but almost none of it goes deeper. You'll find the same AutoGPT demo from 2023, repackaged 100 different ways, 5 bullet tweet threads, and blog posts that stop exactly where the hard questions begin. The dirty secret is that conceptual understanding and production-ready engineering skill are two completely different things, and most available content only delivers the former. What separates this document from everything else is that every single chapter is grounded in actual working code. It covers prompt chaining, intelligent routing between tools, memory architectures that scale, multi-agent coordination, MCP protocols, guardrails, planning loops, and advanced reasoning patterns. These are the exact topics that senior engineers debate in Slack channels and architecture reviews. Topics that rarely make it into public educational material at this level of depth. We've hit an inflection point where claiming you built an AI agent carries zero signal unless you can answer the hard follow-up questions. Did your system handle failure modes gracefully? How does it decide which tool to call and when? What happens to memory management when context windows overflow at scale? Does it degrade intelligently, or does it just hallucinate harder under pressure? These questions used to separate true senior practitioners from weekend hobbyists. Now they're the baseline expectation for anyone deploying to production. The mental model that experienced AI engineers carry took years to develop. Countless late nights reading error logs, debugging edge cases, and rebuilding systems that failed in unexpected ways. A document like this compresses that accumulated wisdom dramatically. Someone who works through it seriously, actually writes the code, breaks things intentionally, and debugs their way out can emerge with an engineering intuition that previously took years of painful trial and error to build from scratch. Understanding agentic design patterns intellectually and actually shipping reliable agentic systems into production are separated by a canyon that no single document can fully bridge. This resource closes a meaningful portion of that gap, particularly on the architectural and design side. But the remainder gets closed the old-fashioned way, by building real systems, watching them fail in production, and developing the judgment that only comes from fixing things that break in ways you never anticipated. Paid AI courses have proliferated rapidly alongside the hype cycle, and most of them charge premium prices for content that barely scratches the surface of real engineering complexity. The honest assessment here is that this free 421-page document delivers more practical, production-relevant depth than the majority of courses currently selling for hundreds of dollars. The economics of AI education are shifting. The best material is increasingly coming from practitioners sharing openly, rather than from course creators optimizing for conversion. If you are serious about building AI systems in 2025 and 2026, this document belongs in your reading list alongside your actual codebase. Don't just read it passively. Implement the patterns, stress test the examples, and push the architectures until they break. The engineers who will build the most reliable agentic systems in the next few years are the ones investing in deep technical foundations right now, not the ones chasing the next demo. Go find this document and do the work.